Powerful. Crushing. A breathtaking timber transport scene with daring and unexpected maneuvers. One mistake, and everything could collapse. With just a handheld chainsaw, felling massive trees becomes incredibly easy and efficient. Thanks to its powerful engine and compact design, this machine delivers superior power when cutting down trees. The Waldfeber HP Holes is a must-have. With its superior wood quality and excellent harvesting capabilities, and oppos as the ideal tool for handling and transporting timber felled by storms. Get ready to witness the overwhelming power of the Timber Pro TL745D. With its 230 horsepower engine and a weight of 37,480 pounds, this machine, combined with a monster Quadco 27SC, delivers powerful lumbering performance. Next are the timber harvesting machines, the indispensable tools of the forestry industry, optimizing processes and minimizing effort and time. The Harvesta V-Lace stands out with its 280 horsepower engine, delivering superior eucalyptus wood cutting performance, ensuring the work is done quickly and accurately. Oh my God, a bizarre incident occurred when this crane was lifting a log, but unfortunately, it tipped over.
The crane couldn't handle the weight of a 100-year-old oak tree segment, and even
Wow, join me in exploring the LKT 81 Turbo, a powerful excavator with a high-powered engine, optimized for efficient mining operations. Weighing 26,455 pounds, the machine operates reliably, ready to conquer any challenging mining project. When nature becomes harsh, the Valtra T144 and its Kronos 164 WDM companion bravely overcome every challenge. The engine roars, the wheels sink deep into the mud, but the tractor still powerfully pulls massive logs, traversing the pristine forest. Are you a fan of heavy machinery? Let into oppos. Let's admire the power of the LKT 81T skidder together. Subscribe to the channel to join the discussion. When faced with extreme challenges, the TT4 a symbol of Soviet power, demonstrated its superior ability to tow timber carts weighing up to 40,000 kilograms. With its robust design and powerful engine, this vehicle is a testament to superior engineering and resilience in overcoming the harsh challenges of a snow-covered winter. Have you ever witnessed a giant machine battling nature? In the middle of a damp forest, the Timberjack 810B faces a harsh challenge. Mud and freshly felled timber slow the machine and Oppo's movement. Jake, the operator, watches anxiously, worried that the timber will be damaged if the machine doesn't end Oppo's to get out of the mud in time. Oh my God, the sight of working in the damp forest with the Belarus MTZ-892 is amazing. With its ability to overcome any difficult terrain, this tractor easily moves through mud and harsh conditions, delivering efficient work. You and Oppo's LL surely be impressed when you witness the Komatsu 890.3 A end quote, Steel Warrior end quote, traversing wild forests and conquering all harsh terrains. With its formidable power and versatility, it not only moves timber, but also creates a harmonious rhythm in forestry work, where machinery blends seamlessly with nature. The Rotten F-18 is a powerful timber harvester, equipped with a 175 horsepower engine and weighing approximately 39,691 pounds. When unloading, the machine easily handles large logs, operating stably and efficiently, optimizing the work process in logging areas. What do you think about this truck carrying tons of wood that an Oppo's in trouble? Leave a comment or a like to discuss and share your opinions. Next, a John Deere skidder logging tractor gets stuck in a swamp during a logging accident. In this emergency situation, a track hoe excavator is deployed to rescue it. Using its power and maneuverability, it saves the tractor from the muddy terrain. When it comes to efficient timber handling, the Svetruck TMF 28-21 is always the top choice. This machine ensures stable and superior timber unloading capabilities on challenging terrain, optimizing the loading process from a Volvo FH12 6x2 truck. A truly astonishing display of power No, you and Oppos. Re not mistaken, massive logs are being transported to the lumber mill with incredible ease. Even though each log weighs 29,500 pounds, they are lifted as if weightless, creating a spectacular sight. In the face of this overwhelming power of modern technology, humans suddenly seem insignificant and everything around them fades away. Don Oppos, you take your eyes off it. Mulching stumps, a tree stump crushing machine with a massive 200 horsepower engine. Weighing 13,227 pounds, it glides smoothly over rugged terrain, crushing every tree stump and pushing productivity to new heights. The DF-150E on the Komatsu PC-210LC. 10 is an indispensable tool for logging contractors. With its 150 horsepower engine and a weight of 46,294 pounds, designed by Dennis Samath. The DF-150E on the Komatsu PC-210LC. 10 is the perfect choice. Have you ever seen a machine this powerful at handling with? With its 300 horsepower engine and massive weight, this machine easily crushes large green pine logs in a matter of seconds. A formidable shredder, the DF-150 easily handles all types of trees when combined with the Komatsu PC-210LC10. With its robust design and precise cutting system, the machine efficiently handles heavy materials such as wood and waste. With a splitting force of up to 150 million pounds and a 30-inch wedge, this hydraulic side loader features adjustable beam, enabling superior timber handling efficiency. Specifically, this equipment can handle logs up to 2.5 feet long, enhancing work efficiency and accuracy. When it comes to power and versatility in splitting logs, the Bell Super Splitter 2015 is a must-mention. With its 95 horsepower Cat Turbo diesel engine and 6-way adjustable wedge, it and Oppos, is the ideal tool for handling large logs. The engine and Oppos' S-power combined with its versatile design makes this wood splitter fast and efficient. In the logging industry, the Ecolog 574F Twinch impresses with its powerful performance. Equipped with a 275 horsepower engine, this machine optimizes the movement and handling of heavy timber in all harsh conditions. With cutting-edge technology, the John Deere 7730 is also equipped with an advanced control system. making it easy for operators to use and optimizing work efficiency. The machine has superior hardwood processing capabilities, ensuring high-quality output while minimizing operating and maintenance costs.